Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna make you understand what is digital marketing. And I'm not going to make only this video, I will make several video so that you can know what is digital marketing is, why digital marketing is important for business, including the benefit associated with digital marketing. I will be discussing what is digital marketing and the aim of digital marketing strategies. And I also will discuss different type of digital marketing. So let's start from the beginning. In this class, we will know what is digital marketing. So, what is digital marketing? Marketing is a way of organization reach to the customer, interact with them. As you know, that there is many kind of marketing like traditional marketing and digital marketing. So, what digital marketing do exactly? The aim of digital marketing is really to get as many as people over your website. So it's not it's not stop in a country or a geographical location. By doing digital marketing, you can attract and you can bring as much as people in your website and know your and get them know your brand. How they can do it? It's like giving the awareness to the people. Maybe you are running a clothing shop and there your shop is about sustainable business and clothing. So if you want to know people that your business is sustainable and your business is worldwide, so what you can do, you can aware the people and let them know what is the benefit of sustainable clothing and how sustainable cloth is made. And if you have many people, as many as people know your brand, then your brand is will be viral and it will get more sales. The digital marketing is really growing day by day, and we can see that lots of company is shifting their traditional business, traditional things, marketing plan to the digital platform. For example, like Unilever, then big brand like Asta, and the big brand like Peacock, like Primark, H&M, they're all switching to the digital platform. And for coronavirus, COVID-19, all the business stop, really stop, can't do their business offline. The retail store is closed, and the most of the business is doing online businesses. What I mean by traditional marketing are like things like newspaper, TV advertisement, and something like that. The other great things digital marketing is that you can easily see how people are measure your performance. Where this is slightly trickier to do traditional marketing. Like if you are a salesperson and you are selling something, you have to depend on the opinion of the customer verbally. But if you're doing digital marketing, customer react with your post in the real time and they engage with you. In addition, there are a host other benefit too. Number one, digital marketing allow organization to react and engage with their customer in real time. What I have told you before. So for instance, company use Twitter to do this. If you go to the Twitter, you can recently find Google have launched their Google Pixel and they tweet a lots of times before launching the Pixel and see how customer react with the new product coming, which is not possible in the real life traditional business. They find it like how many people retweeting them, how many people like them, share them, give loving them everything. This is about Twitter. There is many platforms like social media like Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, Pinterest, and they have different option to react with the client and see the real time result from them. But in the traditional method is you can't really do this type of survey. Number two, digital marketing really allow you to reach out to the people in a global scale, which I've already told you. If any business want to do global flourishment, they need to do digital marketing because digital marketing have no border. So with traditional marketing, where you might only to be reach out the people in a particular area and geography, like if you are doing a business in Florida and you want to do some posturing, some TV news or anything, only the people of Florida will know that. But if you want to do business in whole USA, you might not you might can't afford to do all these advertisements because it's very expensive TV ad. But difference between the traditional and the digital marketing is cheaper than traditional marketing. Digital marketing allow brand to further develop themselves and really build relationship with their client, because when a customer is retweeting them or in the messaging you or giving a comments in a Facebook, you can really see what the customer commenting, what their mind is. People don't want to show their face or talk in front of the font to tell their review from inside. If you go in the market, like in the road, and ask someone with your microphone, hey, what do you think about my product? They're not going to give you the correct answer because the man is in front of you. This is the psychological things. For that, you need to talk with them, you need to mix with them. But digital marketing will give you real time result. So if you launch a product and say, tell people, hey, if the product is coming like this, do you like it? Like Google Pixel, they can say and comments, they can like, because you don't know that person, and person can, you know, feel independent to share his views. Number four, because your content is posted over the internet means your message can be accessed over the range of device, which is very beneficial. Better than traditional marketing, digital marketing is very focused, and we are depend on technology. So we are depending on like mobile phone, tablet, PC, everywhere. So, and this is very good thing. We can reach people. And lastly, digital marketing really allow companies to compete with each other over this medium despite their big size of the marketing budget. In the digital field, you can really identify your competitor is. There's different tools and different system. You can see what his competitor is doing. So it's really easy to measure than the traditional marketing, and also cheaper, which I have told you before. So let's put these things in the context. What is digital marketing things? If you see like Amazon is a not a traditional, they are not doing traditional marketing. They have different way of marketing because their product is digital, and they are not a market like supermarket, like physical. So they don't have to go to the television or people leaflet postering to tell the people about their business. What Amazon do, they have called their affiliate business, and Amazon done it very wisely. So what is affiliate? Affiliate is something, if you sell my product, I will give you a commission. So when Amazon started to think that how they can market their product, they find that doing the marketing the product in a traditional way is very costly, and they can't expose their business in the long run. So what they do is they build up a program called their affiliate. So they call all the marketer and all the digital people. Okay, hey, if you sell my product, you can get commission. And they build a system with trust and safety. By this they are getting a dozen of sales, and now they are number one business, richest and the business in the world, and their full business operated digitally. So digital marketing is something like that. You can really do marketing without low cost and expose yourself to the other world. In our next video, we'll discuss about the 5 things you need to do for digital marketing. If you want, if you like my video, subscribe my channel, comments, and keep posted. Therefore, the next video. See you then. Bye.